Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. So this is the painting you guys are going to see in the video today. It is a swipe and spin canyon pour, and I used copper and green for this painting, but I think I went a little overboard on the copper. I used it in the painting as well as part of my cell activator, so I'm kind of wishing I had used it as one or the other and not both. But it still looks really cool. I like how you can see the green peeking through. And of course, the shimmer on the copper is beautiful. I'm still working on the online course for this technique. I don't have a release date yet, but I will let you know as soon as I do. My other course is available on my website, crystalcoastoriginals.com, and that would be the Transparent Dutch Pour course if you guys are interested in that. As usual, my formula as well as the colors will be listed in the description box, so please don't forget to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.